गाड़ी तो मेघालय का है ना, तो तोड़ेगा ही ना कुछ भा इतना खबर गाड़ी भांगी से ना मेघालय मेघालय सोमवार गुवाहाटी तक सब घुमा मेघालय तक सब मेघालय घुसाओ फिर से
পৰিস্থিতিটো নাম্বাৰ প্লেট নাই মই দেখাব জনাইছো
ই নাম্বাৰ প্লেট খুলি লৈ আহিছে খুলি কেনে পলাই আছে গম পাইছা নাই
এয়া দেখিছে কেনেদৰে তেওঁলোকে নাম্বাৰ প্লেট পৰ্যন্ত খুলি অনা পৰিলক্ষিত হৈছে যাতে যিকোনো কাৰণত মেঘালয়ৰ এই অসম সীমান্ত পাৰ কৰি যাতে যাব পাৰে যাৰ বাবে তেওঁলোকে এনেধৰণে নাম্বাৰ প্লেট খুলি অনা পৰিলক্ষিত হৈছে আজি অসম চৰকাৰে এই সকল প্ৰতিবাদকাৰীক লগ নিদিয়াভাৱে তেওঁলোকে প্ৰতিবাদ স্থগিত ৰাখিবলৈ বাধ্য হৈছে আৰু কাইলৈ পুৱাৰে পৰা তেওঁলোকে পুনৰ প্ৰতিবাদ সাব্যস্ত কৰিব এয়া নাম্বাৰ প্লেট নোহোৱা এখন বাহন প্ৰতিবাদকাৰীয়ে আবদ্ধ ৰাখিছিল কিন্তু এতিয়া খুলি দিবলৈ বাধ্য হৈছে পৰিস্থিতিটোৰ মাজত এনেদৰে গাড়ী ভাঙি পেলোৱা ভয়ংকৰ পৰিস্থিতি
Kadom donatum silong long alam ki ke nangli tumta theklong po mate nangli tumta chini po la pen non bang ke asam pen ko sonsi ka cheputu lokma la bang so alam pusita me ka chinia tum si ke ong po August 19 arni Khasi Student Union po atumbang Black Flag bike rally dolo labangso bike rally do bomahut lapen labangso bike rally ke do I tal alang litum sarkar along demand do labangso demand kapat chunjia pansi alang litum Black Flag bike rally damlo labangso bike rally dam bomahut ala pinan atum kabujat atumbang gari pinaan pahing no lablo lapen labangso gari kapahing no long asa magari pusita me pinaan do koklo laso joksi non bangke asam pen bang tache photu loklo labang so lam ki yelo amatsi nona bangke ml gari an bangke asam nang lut long le delo ange litum jongsi silong dam ji plote jorobat pencil apu left side si litum dam matidi ladak jorobat tiniali lo mate chari lilo ladak si ton pedlo AS an bangke wanglong lo lapen ML an bangke wanglong le dalo la puson si non bangke arong do hoilo la bangso alam ki lapen la bangso khasi student union pu tumbang non la secretary bang lam klar chi piteng bete la hai bangke thangda chi chini dun de dalo nitum ke la kupima sarkar along kadimana tengsi claim lo dam lo sita la puson nangki claim dunji la puson nangka cheyok dunji pu bangke chi chini ne pusi alangli ningje nangli tum arjuik tha
Ini itu kan. Tiblas na usnam na kasi. Posh. Posh. Get down. Posh. Get down. Get down. Finish pocket.
when we finished the rally, as the leaders, we were in front. We were not aware of such incident that took place. It was only after the rally came to conclusion and after we have made a press statement regarding the next rally that is going to take place on the 21st, that we saw the videos that has been circulated in the social media platform through various news channels, and all this incident that had happened, it really shook us. We did not anticipate for such violence, and we do not promote any kind of violence, because I would like to remind that we have had different public meetings in these different district headquarters and also in the 8 locations in Shillong in the past couple of weeks, and all these meetings were peaceful. And we anticipated that this bike rally today also will be demonstrated in a peaceful manner. In fact, we started the bike rally from the office, whereby we have instructed all the participants who have come to the public, who have come and joined in this bike rally, that they will go peacefully and they will not create any law and order problem. And we have also instructed our members also in this regard. Maybe perhaps it might be some other negative element who has come into the picture to divert the issue, because I will base that on the previous public meetings that we have had, that it was all peaceful and most of them are our members who are there and the public are out there. But the moment we have announced the agitation against the government, such thing has taken place. So we from the union side, we are sure regarding that it will not be our members who will be involved in such incidents, but we have an apprehension that maybe it is some negative elements from outside forces, maybe it might be from any particular different segments of the society who wants to divert this incident. So based on that, earlier we had made an announcement that we're going to have a public rally on the 21st of August and a sit-in demonstration in Kandailat. But then we have this apprehension that if we call again for another public rally and the public at large will come, then maybe there will again be those negative elements. On the 21st of August, the agitation will continue, but we will not make it open to the public. It will be only the members of the Central Executive Council who will be taking part